I got a Charlotte Tilbury package and I'm so excited for this. She was having a summer sale. I didn't know that she had summer sales and I've been wanting to try a lot of her products for a long time. And I got a whole box and I'm gonna unbox it with you. Look at this stunning presentation. I mean, are you kidding me? I'm so excited. I mean, I got a great deal for all of these products. This is like a full face of Charlotte Tilbury. I'm so excited. We're gonna open it. I mean, this is a nice box and she is just so full of stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, so on the summer sale, she had a lot of kits, a lot of things like that. So a lot of these things had like 2 or 3 pieces and 1 kit that I would get. I got like 3 free gifts. I got a lot of goodies in here. I'm super excited. Okay, in no particular order, we're just pulling this out. I got the contour wand. This one is in the shade medium deep. I'm so excited. This is what it looks like. Everybody complains so much about this packaging, and I do have dupes that are terrible packaging too, but it's fine. Okay, this is the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. This one is in the shade deep. I wanted the dark brown lip liner, so I'm so excited. Loving the color. It's right up my alley. I got the Beautiful Skin foundation. This I got in shade 7 neutral. I got all this stuff offline, so I hope that I can make these work. Oh, we'll see. We'll see about that. It looks a little yellow to me, but we'll see. Then I got the Matte Beauty Blush Wand. This one is in the shade Pillow Talk. Look how pretty. I have been obsessed with mauve blushes lately, so Charlotte Tilbury stuff goes right along with that. This is the Flawless Filter in shade 4.5 medium. I love this. Is this full size or is this not full size? I don't know. The packaging, her packaging is gorgeous. Everything's really nice packaging. Okay, so this was in one of the kits. This is the lipstick and the lip liner. And this is just like a little mini one you can take with you. So this is the lip liner. Ooh, very pretty. I don't really do a lot of pink lip liners, so... Hello, can I get the little lipstick out? It's way down in there. I can't seem to get it out. There we go. I mean, look at it. So cute. Okay, and okay, I do really love that color. That's pretty. Yes, it matches the lip liner. So that's nice. I like that. What is this? Ooh, this is a mascara in super black. This is one of the free gifts that I got. Ooh, nice packaging. That is like really, really heavy packaging. This is what the wand is looking like. The only thing I've tried from Charlotte Tilbury is her setting spray, and I do know that her setting spray is really good. I love that. So I'm hoping to love all of these products. And then I got a concealer in the shade 7 medium. That color looks light. So they should balance each other out. They're both shade 7, so. Okay, and then I got an airbrush setting spray because I'm literally almost out of mine. So I got a new one. I needed that. And then it came with a little small one. So this is nice for travel. This is the small one. So just for comparison, that's what they look like. I mean, packaging is so nice on her stuff. Really is. Okay, and then I got the Magic Vanish. This is the under eye and face cheat. What is this for? Is this like a corrector, like a color corrector? Let's see. I mean, look at how cute. Yeah, I think that's just supposed to be like a little color corrector for under your eye. Okay. This came in another little set, I think, with the Flawless Filter. And then we got, this was a free gift, I think. I'm not sure. Again, packaging, gorgeous. I love it. Yes, this was the free gift. Look at that blush. Isn't that so pretty? And then I got the Airbrush Flawless Finish, which is your regular size. I'm so happy for this. Look. Everybody does love this powder. This one is in the shade 2 medium. Okay, and then I got the Beauty Light Wand. Oh, this is the highlighter. This one is in the shade Pillow Talk. Look, so pretty. I love the packaging. I love her packaging. It's so good. I feel like makeup when it comes in nice packaging like this, it's just a different experience. It just gives you a different, like, oh my god, I love it. Okay, this was another free gift. What is this? This is the Pillow Talk Superstars lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. Ooh, that's a darker color. Okay, but it's kind of like sheer, so it's like a balm, like a balm texture. And then we have a lipstick, and this one is in the shade Pillow Talk Fair. So this is like the lightest color of lipstick that she has. Yes, isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. Okay, and then I got, this is the Beautiful Skin Sun Kiss Glow Bronzer. Oh, this is a cream bronzer. I thought this was a powder bronzer. No? Stunning. Look at that. Okay, I love this packaging. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Everything really just feels very luxe. I love that. Okay, and that is everything. That is my Charlotte Tilbury haul. I'm super excited to try all of these products. I got everything except for eyeshadow, I think, from her. And yeah, I'm super excited. So be on the lookout. I will definitely be back to do a full face of Charlotte Tilbury makeup. But thank you so much for hanging out and having some girl time with me, going through some new makeup. I'm super excited to try out, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.